In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove MSN from Microsoft Edge. First, let's open a new tab in Microsoft Edge. You can do this by either clicking on the plus icon next to your existing tabs or by using the keyboard shortcut, which is Control and T. Once the new tab opens, you will have a blank page ready for your next actions. This step is essential because it sets the stage for making any changes to your Edge settings. A clean slate ensures that you are working without distractions or previous settings that might interfere with your adjustments. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. You will see the page settings, which is represented by a gear icon. Click on this gear icon to access various layout options available for your new tab. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you different choices for how your new tab page will look. This step is important because it allows you to customize your browsing experience according to your preferences. Next, you will see several options for layout configurations. From these options, select Custom. This choice will enable you to adjust specific settings that suit your browsing habits. Selecting Custom is crucial because it opens up further settings that will allow you to disable unwanted content, including MSN. By taking this step, you are one step closer to creating a cleaner browsing environment. After selecting Custom, look for the Content drop-down or toggle within the settings that appear. Click on this drop-down or toggle to view additional content settings. You will see various options that dictate what appears on your new tab page. This action is significant because it gives you control over the type of content displayed, allowing you to eliminate anything that you do not wish to see. Now, under the Content drop-down or toggle, select Content Off. This setting will disable any content from appearing on your new tab page, including MSN. By turning off this content, you will create a cleaner and more focused browsing experience. This step is important because it not only declutters your new tab, but also allows you to access the information you want without distractions. After making this selection, you should see that any content previously displayed has been removed. With that ready, take a moment to check if your changes have been applied correctly. You can do this by opening a new tab again and observing the layout. You should see a blank page without MSN content. This reassurance confirms that you have successfully made the desired changes in Microsoft Edge. It is always a good practice to verify your settings to ensure they are functioning as intended. Congratulations, you have now successfully removed MSN from Microsoft Edge. Enjoy your newly customized browsing experience that is free from unwanted content. Remember, whenever you want to make adjustments, you can always revisit the settings to personalize your experience further. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this video helpful.